Hi everybody, it's your girl Kim and I'm back again with another haul video, y'all. Another haul video. The semi-annual sale is wrapping down. It's almost to a close. I think we got like a couple of more days, probably like a week or so. Let's see, it ends on the 11th. So we probably got like a week or so to go. So if you haven't got the things that you're looking for, you better go ahead and get them. I'm just saying. My store did not have a whole lot of stuff, but I was able to kind of grab some stuff. This is a haul that I did in the store. I think I shopped like 2 or 3 stores, as well as some of my online orders came in. And I just said, you know what? I'm gonna put it all in one video. I gotta get some lotion. I guess I'll use this Beach Night since it's right here. Might as well. So I got body care as well as candles. I got a couple of candle holders. I got some soap, which I don't need no soap. And I also got some like 2 hand sanitizers. I guess we can start with the hand sanitizers. So they had these on 75%. So I did grab 2, and this is Girls Support Girls. I cannot tell y'all what the scent is. I think it's champagne toast, but I'm not 100% sure. But these were the only 2 that I got. I think throughout this whole sale, the whole semi-annual sale, I think I've only gotten like 3 hand sanitizers. These 2, as well as that vanilla cloud or vanilla cream, the spray or whatever it is. Those were the only hand sanitizers that I got because I don't need no more hand sanitizer. For real. I really don't. Body care. As y'all did see, I just used the Beach Nights. So I did grab Beach Nights, the whole collection, the body wash. I got the body wash as well as the body lotion and the fine fragrance mist. I most definitely was waiting on this to go 75%. I do like it, but it wasn't one of those things that I had to have. But it most definitely smelled like marshmallow as well as like vanilla. It is very, very creamy. I actually really, really like this. So I did grab these 4 items for 75% off. I believe everything I got was 75% off. I do believe. So yeah, got that. Things I got. This was an online order. I decided to get this white tea and sage. I really wanted this, and this is something that I ordered online, even though the bottle look a little bit used. But I'm just saying, I don't know. But I did get this stuff online because I've been looking at it for a while and I keep on saying I'm gonna grab it. Every year I say I'm gonna grab that and I never do. So this year I heard really good reviews about this one, this fine fragrance mist, so I decided to go ahead and grab it. The next thing I got was this, y'all. Y'all know, like I said in my last video, this is amazing. This 1 in a million. Oh my goodness. This makes me think about, not to say that it smells like it, but it could be in the same family as Beach Walk by Maison Margiela, in my opinion. I'm not saying that they smell alike. That's not what I'm saying. But they most definitely could be in that same family, that same, it's just good, y'all. This is good. If you have not got your hands on this one, if you see it in the store, get it. It is good. I really didn't want the lotion. I really didn't, but this is all they had. You know, now you cannot find the body wash. You can't find none of that stuff. So I decided to grab another one of these, and then this cotton candy cloud. Yeah, I have been waiting on this stuff to go 75%, so I decided to go ahead and buy it for $3. Is not bad. It's super sugary, super sweet, sugar, berries, and vanilla. So those are like the scent notes that's in it. Got is this sea salt and lavender. I actually bought the body wash last year, so why not get the fine fragrance mist? So I decided to just grab one of them. And I've been waiting on this, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. Fresh coconut colada. I've been waiting for this, so I decided to go ahead and grab it. The scent notes is coconut milk, vanilla rum, and hibiscus. So yes, I wanted this. Let me smell it if I can real quick. So super excited to get this for 75% off, because y'all know for the longest this was not moving. This stayed at 50% the whole entire sale. I like this. It most definitely remind me of the coconut Colada candle. Oh my gosh, this is good. I really like this. Y'all know I have been looking for this. I could not find this in store. I was always on the fence about ordering this luxury bubble bath, the rose tangerine plus tea. I went on and I took a chance and I ordered it online. So happy. It was not open. It came in safe. I was so shocked and so happy. It's Into the Night bubble bath. I don't know if this is luxury. It's just the bubble bath. I just seen this one. That's all they had, so I did grab it. They changing the label, the style, so that's the reason why all of this Into the Night stuff is on clearance. So yeah, I went on and grabbed one. Why not? Some men's care. Yes. Y'all know I've been trying to grab my son some stuff. This is Clear Horizon. And this is fresh water. Can y'all see? Hopefully y'all can see that. Fresh water. As well as Stone. And I was able to get him the cologne in Canon. So yes, all this stuff will go to my son, my oldest son, because I said, you know what, I've been getting the girls candles and I haven't got him anything. So this was the time for me to grab him some body wash as well as some cologne. I don't even know if he's gonna use this cologne, but I'm gonna give it to him. I wish I could have found a whole set in this Canyon, but I couldn't. I probably could if I keep on looking, but it is what it is. He'll be okay. Trust. He'll be all right. So the last thing I got, which I just got this a couple of days ago, is the perfume in Poppy. I actually ordered another one online, but that order has not came in yet. So I did grab this. This is supposed to be new out. A lot of people say it smells like Carried Away. I don't know. I thought I had Carried Away, but I actually don't. So it is what it is. Let's smell this. I actually smelled it in the store. Most definitely floral, but it smelled like some citrus or something. Most definitely smelled like it has a little citrus in it, but I'm not sure. I don't know the scent notes. Okay, the next thing I got was I grabbed this, even though I really didn't need to grab this soap holder because I got one from last year, but I got it for like $4. 75% off. I got this for like $4. And I think it looks just like the one from last year. I probably should have pulled the one from last year out so y'all could see. I don't think there's no difference in it. Okay, this is from this year. And this is the one from last year. I don't really see a big difference at all. This one appears to be a little bit bigger, the one from last year versus this year. As you see, this one is coming off more pearlized. The blue, you really could see that in it. They kind of sort of look the same to me. It's just that this one is just really got that pearlized look, the one from last year. And this one seems a little bit lighter. As you see the front of it, as you see, this one is a little bit thicker than this one. But other than that, they look the same. How much was it last year? $18. Same price. Same exact price. But this one is plastic. Whereas this one, feel like it's that ceramic material. So yeah, grab that. $4, you can't beat it. You cannot beat it. And then this one has the Bath and Body Works logo on the bottom, as you see, and the one from last year don't. So yeah, grab that. $4, can't beat it. Next, the soap. I grabbed 3 pink lilac and vanilla soap because I absolutely love this scent. Love this scent. So every time it comes out, I'm most definitely going to buy it. I believe this is probably, I think this is my first time buying it in the soap form. 75% off. I think it was like $1.88, I think, or $2 something. Maybe $2.13, somewhere around there. Super cheap. So I decided to grab 3 of these because I love the scent. Cucumber and Lily. Had to grab this because I actually use this in the main bathroom because I put in a little dispenser. So I need this kind to go in the dispenser. So white oak and vanilla. I have been looking at this since it first came out, but I keep on saying I don't need no soap. I do not need any more soap. I got more than enough soap. So I was originally going to pass on it when they had it for, I think these were 75% off, I believe. Okay, y'all, this video is getting way too long. I know. So I decided to cut this video up into 2 parts. The next part will be like the candle holders, the soap holders, wallflowers, as well as some of the fall candles and the candles that I found for 75%. So please stay tuned to part 2. I really didn't want to make a 2-part video, but I don't want to make a super long video. So part 2 is coming. Thank you for always supporting me and watching all of my videos. I truly do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know some of the treasure finds that you are finding in the stores, because this sale is winding down and I'm actually getting ready to say that in this next clip. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, again leave me some comments, follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick, and hit that notification bell, y'all. Hit that notification bell. And I got this scarf on my head, y'all. I don't really care for this wig that much because I really don't care for super big hair, but it is what it is. So I'll see y'all in the next one, and y'all probably more than likely won't ever see this wig again. I don't know, maybe not, who knows. So I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.